What's up guys? Today I'm going up to Oklahoma City and I'm gonna pick up some coilovers for the GS300. Labor Day weekend, it's gonna be busy today. So more about these coilovers, they're valued about $500 new and I'm getting them for $200. So this guy, I'm pretty sure his name was Robert. So he had these coilovers on his GS. I don't know if he actually tracked the car with these coilovers on or if he was just doing it just to be like hot boy stance. We're about an hour away and I'll see what I'm getting myself into with this purchase. This is where the maps was taking me. So, oh, there's the GS300 right there. Oh, hell yeah. Dude, that's sick.
Well, it was a drift car. We're gonna take this 1JZ, rebuild it, and then throw it in my brother's coupe.
So Roberto, super nice. He even set the coilovers on that bench and taught me how to make it lower, how to use it and stuff. Ooh, beautiful C4. So he also drifts himself. He's been to Cam's Acres before, and pretty awesome guy. All right, so this one just has a little bit of surface rust. Put a steel brush on it and it'll work. But I'm all fueled up and I am ready to go. All the destruction right here on the trunk. And here we are. These beautiful coilovers that I bought myself for this car. So if you guys don't know much about cars and stuff, the reason why I'm changing out the suspension is so I can lower the car. But for drifting, the reason why I don't want to use a stock suspension, even though they're probably good and like smooth because it's a Lexus, it's probably luxury. I just need to make the car very stiff. I kind of want to ride the car stock suspension because it's a Lexus. I kind of want to enjoy the luxury of it for a little bit. Crackers. So today I have a homecoming dance. It's pretty early right now, so I'm choosing with my free time to work on the GS300. The work will pay off. Today there's a full log drift event. All of my friends are going, but we're going back to my papa's right now. Papa got these little brackets on the radiator. Put some rubber on these so it doesn't rub through the radiator.
Ain't real gas, 91 octane.
The manual shift.
Yeah, pull the stick back to drive. Yeah, pull it over this way, pull it all the way down to low. That's first. Pull it this way, that's second, and then straight up be third.
Way faster, oh my god. That was a different sound to it. The brakes still kind of suck. It went sideways and it could do it, So I just need to get rid of this ringing sound.
Good change. You want just tires.
Alright, so I'm back here the next day. This is a new reservoir I got from Kane. We're gonna see if this one works. Find these on the ground. Looks like my papa already put the new coilovers in. Was not expecting that. You can see how low it is in the front. And in the rear, it's monster trucking really. Thanks to my papa for doing it. I was not expecting that. I have to do the back still, and I heard the backs might be a little harder, so we'll get to that.
Key on, that relay's clicking. If that relay's clicking, that means the motor's bad. The motor don't need to run. Yep. Whenever you get that fixed, when we bleed them back brakes, that sound should go away.
Alright. Looks like the muffler is hooked on. Explains all that noise. Let's do this. Yeah. These are to the rear, so that is not gonna last long. This tire's gonna explode. I'm sure that one's also as bad. Also, the interesting thing is the springs are on the bottom of the old suspension and the coilovers are at the top. I don't know what Lexus and Toyota was thinking with this design. If it's better, like smooth wise. In the front, the springs, the coils are on the top. If there's anybody that works at Toyota or Lexus, worked on maybe a GS300, and if you know the reason behind that, let me know. There it goes.
All that bullshit, just get that little bastard out.
With the back's longer. Alright, yeah. Got the last coilover on. I'm gonna grab my GoPro because I thought of a really cool like camera angle. Can't tell if it's level. So I'm driving the car right now with the new coilovers in it. Body roll, done. This feels smooth even though it's pretty stiff. High. This thing rips for sure. That'll do for today with these coilovers. Brakes still aren't good, but we still have 20 days. We still have time to get it dialed in. We still need to do the differential. There's some news that my papa told me. So apparently the brake motor to the brake reservoir is completely burnt out. So this is where the brake motor sits. We got one ordered. It's So today is Friday, 18th of October, and next weekend, the 26th of October, I have a drift day at Cam's. We need to sort out these brakes, and I'm hoping this is what fix it. Was it the brake master cylinder? I think that's what it's called. I don't know. I'm hoping that's still all good, but things will fail over time. The car just needs a rebuild, which I don't want to do. At least the JZ is good for another probably 5,000 miles of me drifting. Maybe not drifting, maybe 100 miles of drifting, but yeah. You can also see how dirty it is on this old one. So it's probably best that we are replacing this. Here's all the wiring. It looks like a nuclear core, but but I'm guessing it just got to the point to where after 250,000 miles, it just decided to stop, which most things will do on a car, so. Yeah, I might as well clean all this stuff out too. It's better to clean stuff when they're all out. Plus it can cause rust with, you know, all of it. All this, there's like a lot of moss, wet dirt still from the brake fluid, and if rain gets trapped down here, it probably won't be good.
Race code.
Yeah, erase.
We'll come to the reservoir, goes into the master cylinder.
What is it?
It's just that pump ain't working. What caused that is that motor sitting there running. It wasn't getting time to cool down. This deal's an accumulator. All it does is hold the pressure. Drove that to the road last night.
Yeah.
I get going and hit the brakes kind of hard. They slide the front tires. They not get them backings to lock up.
Oh,
And they may not lock up.
what was the process of bleeding the brakes? Was it like you had to have it on for the front brakes and off for the rear? And
No, the front brakes bleed just like the old ones did. The backwards is what was the problem. Fuckers, they even got tie rod ends right back here. Then there's grass all over under here. Right there.
So I'm back in this. The brakes do work. Here, let me just slam on the brakes. Still takes a second, but they're probably just old pads, really. The car feels really good. He said whenever I mash the brakes and let off, it still keeps the brake lights on for some reason. Yeah, it decides to brake, you know, lock up the front brakes, which is what I need. So car performs well. Okay, I think I might have popped the right rear tire. A little chunk of tire right here. This tire is not gonna last for Cam's.
Some yard work.
I said I'm doing some yard work over there. Dirty again. Wow. Oh, and this piece right here. Oh yeah, that's about to just go.
This groove, if you get stuck in right here,
Oh yeah, I see that.
it's simple. All that bullshit just gets on the back of the well.